One thing Usborne Books and More does with excellence is their nonfiction collection. There are a ton of fun, engaging, and interactive nonfiction books. One of my favorites is the Look Inside series. There's Look Inside Food, Look Inside Our World, Look Inside Your Body. These books have lots of flaps, lots of engaging ways to teach the children about whatever the topic is. So obviously this one's food and does an amazing job showing you where exactly your food comes from. Flaps inside of flaps, wonderful series. This one's Look Inside Food. Again, there's lots in this series. Another series that's one of my favorites is the $4.99 beginner books. There are dozens of titles in this series. Here's just two. These are hardback. They are excellent for younger elementary school, learning to read on their own, bite-sized bits of information. All of them are internet reference, so in the back you can go in and find a safe website to learn more about the topic. These are brand new, and they've just come out with these. These are baby animals, and then we have one that's called Flowers. These are kind of a step before the ones I just showed you. These are also hardback and $4.99, but you can see that the text is a little smaller, or a little less, and so it's just not quite as much information. Better for younger elementary school and maybe even preschool. So these are wonderful, wonderful books. And then a step above what I was showing you are these, the Adventure series. These are $8.99. These are flexi-bound, so they're not paper, but they're not hardback. These are wonderful for older elementary, middle school age kids. These are great informative books, bite-sized pieces of information, very exciting. This one's drones. This is the newest one. So those are great. Another thing that we're fairly new with is these books. Computers and Coding is one, and then Coding for Beginners using Scratch. The Computers and Coding is a Lift the Flap book. Again, hands-on learning, showing you what's going on inside the computers. Here's a laptop. I'm lifting the flaps to see what's going on underneath the laptop. These are excellent for learning exactly what's going on with the computer. What happens when I do this? Why is this that? What's going on under there? Again, very engaging. So those are Lift the Flap, Computers and Coding, and then Coding for Beginners, which is something that you're actually sit on the desk beside the computer, and it teaches you what to do on the computer with Scratch, and then MIT website. So those are really awesome books. We have a great illustrated thesaurus, which is fairly new. I've never seen a thesaurus with this much color and fun. An illustrated dictionary, again, full of color, full of pictures, great dictionary. We have Children's Encyclopedia. This is probably a hidden jewel that I couldn't tell you enough about. This is $15.99. Each page has QR links to learn more about the information on the pages. Vibrant colors, beautiful, beautiful book. Wonderful book. We have the Encyclopedia for Science. This is a $19.99 book. And then we have a bigger one that's the same information and everything. It's just a little bit more expensive for a hardback. We have lots of dictionaries. You'll see here's an elementary science dictionary, obviously for your elementary students. Here's one for physics, chemistry. We have one for biology. Here's some math dictionaries. Great homework helps for all ages, most subjects. Here's another great nonfiction book, Animals. We have several in this series. Human Body is another one. It's excellent. Here's another Lift the Flap book with questions and answers about your body. This one's really fun. Just random questions that kids will ask. Where, how, why. Lots of great questions. Another series in our nonfiction for preschool, younger kids is the Big Books. Big Book of Animals, Big Book of Stars and Planets. These all have fold-out pages. You can see lots going on there. Now, each book has 4 fold-outs. Stars and Planets is probably my favorite. This page is my absolute favorite. I'll give you a sneak peek here. Love all the information about the stars and planets. And one final one I want to share with you is brand new. It's the Brain Twisters. We recently had a lot of fun with this one. Testing our brain, seeing how we're doing. Lots of fun projects and interactive little games you can play to see how you're doing. Lots of fun. Again, Usborne Books and More has an amazing line of nonfiction books. This is just a small peek. Let us know in the comments below what age your child is and what they're learning about.